The bench vise is the heart of the workshop and an essential workbench upgrade. Whether you use power or hand tools, the bench vise securely holds your work so you can accurately chop, saw, plane, chisel and node out profiles. There are many styles and models of bench vises for different workplace environments. For example, a woodworker may choose a twin screw vise to secure stock in the center of its jaws, making it easier to dovetail whiteboards. Plumbers may use a pipe bench vise with specially designed jaws that have a V-shaped indent to grip round tubes or bars. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best bench vises from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eclipse Professional Tools Quick Release Vise. Featuring a spring-loaded, quick-release system, the Eclipse bench vise boasts a smooth mechanism, swiftly moving jaws for securing or releasing work. Designed with a toe in alignment, its sliding jaw's top edge tilts slightly forward, preventing top-to-bottom racking. Renowned by professional tool maker Chris Black, who praises its secure grip even under intense screw tightening. Additionally, it offers ease of use and includes a built-in extendable dog. Number 2. Yoast Vises 445 Combination Vise. The Yoast Vises 445 bench vise stands out as a top-budget option, equipped with a 360-degree swivel base for versatile working angles. Its strong clamp pressure firmly secures workpieces. Crafted from high-quality cast iron and machined steel, this vise combines pipe and bench designs, allowing diverse applications for holding various materials. Available in sizes from 4.5 inches to 8 inches, catering to different workpiece sizes, with the smallest boasting a 4-inch jaw opening and 4.5-inch jaw width. Its value lies in the swivel base, strong clamping force, and adaptability for pipes and wood. Number 3. Wilton All-Terrain Vise. Wilton's All-Terrain Vise presents a versatile solution for individuals seeking mobility at various job sites, grappling with limited workspace, or requiring a vise on an irregular basis. This vise can be conveniently affixed to a truck's tow hitch or temporarily secured to a workbench, ensuring steadfast stability through a hitch pin and 4 adjustment bolts. Crafted from robust powder-coated enamel steel, it boasts a 6-inch jaw width and an integrated pipe jaw, offering a formidable 1-ton clamping force to firmly grip whatever is secured within it. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.